Hey JBs, and welcome back to my channel. I am Sina M and I'm back with a new video. Today's video is a tutorial on how you can get barrel twist on loose natural hair. So you have to start off by dividing the hair into sections. I divided my brother's hair into 4 sections, and that section is going to be divided into half. So I then applied styling gel, which is important when doing this style because this hairstyle looks like locks, and for you to get natural hair to look like locks, you have to apply a lot, like a huge amount of styling gel. And then the next important step is that you comb out the hair. This ensures that the hair is not tangled, and then it gives it more of a dreadlock look. Okay. So once I've combed out the first section, I'm going to divide it into half so that I can start flat twisting the hair. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to start braiding the barrel braid, and you guys are going to see how I do that. Do not forget to add styling gel to make your sections very much sleek. So guys, I decided to do the first row of camera so that I can get the hang of it. Then I'm not going to show you guys that you're supposed to seal the ends using a rubber band so that it does not unravel. Okay, that is important. This is a step you shouldn't miss. So as I said before, the 4 sections are going to be divided into half. So this is the second section, and then we have 2 more sections to do. So the second section is divided into half, and then obviously apply gel to make sure that your parting is crisp. Okay, do not miss this step. I then continue to apply more styling gel to the sides of the parting. Guys, I don't know how to emphasize this any further, but styling gel is very crucial for this particular hairstyle because, like I said, you need to give this hairstyle a lock effect, and the only way you can do that is by applying a lot of styling gel, twisting really tight. It looks painful, but you know, it's not my problem. It looks painful, but I swear my brother said it was bearable. Although, you know, it looks painful, it is not that deep, guys. I swear. That's the review that I got. So again, as you can see here, I am making sure that my parting is straight and the sides are equal. Okay, make sure you give a clean look, guys. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you said to my heart. Another thing that you guys will see me do throughout this tutorial is that I comb out the hair. Combing out the hair from the root to the ends of the hair ensures that there is no bumps, because this hairstyle is locks. So if you don't comb out the hair, it's going to have bumps and it's not gonna look pretty. Okay, so make sure that you comb out the hair before you twist it. And twisting it, you can use a comb, you can use your hand, really it doesn't matter. Whatever works for you, you go and do that. So I'm gonna continue sectioning out the hair. So as you guys can see, there's going to be 2 sections on each side, and those are the sections that I'm going to use to wrap around the main track. It's not gonna make sense now, but you guys will see on a later stage what I am talking about. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. I'm still right next to you. You do. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, So guys, to start with, you will start off with the first 2 sections, and then you wrap them around into like a twist, and that is going to be the foundation of the barrel. Okay, then once you've done that, you will take from right to left, so one on the right hand side, twist it together with the foundation, the main barrel, and then take the one from the left side, and then twist it around the barrel, the foundation. I hope this makes sense. Don't listen to what I'm saying, but watch what I am doing. Okay, So guys, once I was done, I applied mousse just to get rid of any flyaways and just keep the hairstyle firm for longer. So here my brother still had to go to the hair salon to just trim off the edges of his hair, like get a fade. I don't know what it's called really. And please excuse the lighting, guys. I didn't see that it was this harsh. Okay, I tried to fix it here. So here I'm just like letting the mousse marinate into the hair, and then we are done, guys. I don't think I have a video of the full hairstyle once I was done, but I will get the clip and include it at the end of the video. I hope this tutorial was very educational to you guys and that you learned something, and I'm gonna try this hairstyle out, and when you do, tell me how it goes. I then added this holding hairspray to my brother's hair, exactly for the same reason that I added the mousse, to make sure that the flyaways are gone and that the hair stays firmer for longer. I then added some finishing touches, making sure that the hair is dry since it was late at night and was going to sleep. So guys, that is the hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you in my next one. Bye. It's not that